This 2025 Holiday Rambler Admiral 32N is a Class A RV. It is located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, 17022 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Holiday Rambler is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2025 Holiday Rambler Admiral 32N is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.